Today guys, I'm going to show you how to unlock your iPhone 4S or iPhone 5 on version 6.0 or 6.0.1. This will unlock GSM networks or CDMA networks. So if you're on Sprint, Verizon or AT&T, this will work. I'm wanting to get it unlocked onto an Orange UK network. Mine's is locked onto Sprint, so I'm desperate for an unlock and I found one, and this will work on this will allow you to work your 3G as well. There was a patch that they gave you, the RSIM7, they gave you a patch for it that unlocked your 3G as well, so you could use networks. And it didn't seem to work with mine, so I'm going to show you my way and the patch I downloaded. So obviously you're going to need an RSIM7, which I've just shown you here, and you can get this for around £11 or £12 or less than that. I don't know how much it is in dollars. Could pick up cheaper in the USA, but I'm not sure. So what they gave you here was the RSIM7 and the case, the slot that inserts to iPhone 5 and 4S, but for some reason I don't know what they gave you here, but mine didn't seem to fit. I don't know who gave these ones out, but obviously got the wrong slot. So what I had to do was get an old Jevy sim and use that slot, like so, because that can insert into the top there, as you can see there. So I had to get one of them. You can pick these up really cheap. Because this is on the iPhone 4S. If you're on the iPhone 5 you wouldn't need to worry about this, but for me I had to pick this up. So all I did there was insert my RSIM7 into the Jevy SIM slot so that it would work, like so. Put it up here so you can see it. Sits in like that, it's not. And insert your SIM, so mine will be an orange SIM on top of that. I had to cut mine down at the bottom because it was a little bit big. It's just a little trim at the bottom, so I'll insert this into my iPhone 4S. And then this should come up and it says select your carrier. I'm going to select US Sprint because that's what my phone is locked to, and then mode 1 for CDMA. It says set up OK, restart your iPhone now, just hit accept. And what you're going to do is turn your iPhone off and back on. So once you've booted it back up again, it should say searching, and you're going to have to wait a couple of minutes. Mine will search and it should hopefully connect to an Orange or a T-Mobile network, because I'm in the UK and they use the same networks. So I'm going to come back. So I just had to wait a couple of minutes and it's onto T-Mobile UK, and that's obviously you'd want to see that. And there we go, just to prove it's still locked in Sprint and it's been unlocked. There you go. But the problem with me when I unlocked it was I couldn't use my 3G. I'll just also prove that it's on the network here by phoning that in before I show you that.
There you go. I'm sorry, but you don't have enough credit to make this call. To top up with a voucher or with your credit or debit card, please call 450 free from your pay-as-you-go phone, or go to orange.co.uk.
So there you go, it's in orange there. So when I go onto the internet, it shows here I've turned on my 3G and it says could not activate cellular data network. So I'm going to need to install a profile. So what you have to go on is unlockit.co.nz/. So just type that in search bar. So I had to turn it back on my router, and so it's unlockit.co.nz/. I'll put the link in the description for you. So we go in here and you go to create APN here and select your country. For me it'd be the UK. If you're obviously in the USA, you'll select that and select your carrier. So I'm going to scroll down. United Kingdom. And my carrier is Orange. So just select that and hit create APN. And then this will come up, install profile. You just hit install. Install now. So once it's done, you just hit done, and then I'll just turn off my Wi-Fi just to show you. Wi-Fi. So it's on a 3G network there, and I'll just prove that it works. I'll refresh this. There you go, it's working in the 3G, it's not connected to Wi-Fi. And that's all for today. Hope this video's helped, and this has been helpful for you. Please rate, comment and subscribe. Bye.